right at 12. It's Eastern Daylight Time. Wow, I missed it. This camera literally decided to shut itself off. That took a channel 3. That decided not to go off at all. Channel 5, 6, and 7. For some reason, hold on. That failed. That has clear reception. I don't know what's going on with that. Both Burlington and Gray took forever to test today. Totally unacceptable. Good grief, as my mom would say. Oh yeah, this finally went off. For a test. Alright, I'll take it.